The fourth strategy, just speak. How are we going to speak with Netflix? Can we speak with Netflix? Huh? Record? Speak about Netflix. Smart, Faris. You're so smart. Yes, yes. Actually, you can speak to anyone. You can speak to the wall. You can speak to anyone and anything. Excellent, very good. You're amazing. Yes. So, fluency and speaking, forming sentences orally, recalling new vocabulary. Let's see how. Record yourself speaking about the episodes you watched for a minute at least. As a beginning, you want to go on to 2 minutes is fine, but don't start with very high standards as it may break your back. So take it easy, baby steps, and you will reach your goals. Of course, when you watch something, especially I have used this with my students. I teach 9th graders. I have used it with them. When you try to ask students to express themselves, to talk about certain topic, just out of nowhere, out of thin air, just to check their fluency, it's not going to work. Because they'll try to remember something, and they're not sure whether they give you fragments or a big picture or whole picture. But if you tell them a story freshly, or if you play a video freshly, they can just recall instantly, still there. They can express themselves. They can talk about the events. They can talk about their own thoughts and ideas and opinion and what they think and whether they like it or not. They'll go on. Probably they will be attached to the actors or to the characters, and they love this and they hate him or they love her, so they can be motivated to speak and go more fluent. Speak loudly and clearly without stopping, without long pauses. Short pauses should be fine at the beginning, as long as, to some extent, as long as they are not long. And again, we are after fluency. A lot of teachers, unfortunately, whenever it comes to fluency, they pay attention to the grammatical mistakes. They pay attention to certain principles of the language, neglecting the whole target of checking fluency. To check fluency, you need to make sure that the person is able to express himself or herself fluently without stopping. They can formulate ideas. It's like brainstorming, you know? Just go on. Let the flow goes. Even if you make mistakes, it's fine. I don't want you to stop. I want you to go on. Express, talk. With time, you will be able to recall whatever you memorized from vocabulary or whatever you comprehended from grammar. And also you can go back to the notes in your mobile phone. You can try to recall the new words that you learned from the episodes. And it's a good chance, it's a good opportunity to use these words in context, especially orally. So off you go. After repeating this exercise for a week, listen to the previous recordings. Why? Yes, assess yourself. Yes, excellent. To compare, to be motivated, to be encouraged. What if you don't notice a progress? What should you do? You spent a whole week talking about the episodes you watched and you still haven't reached anything. You're on plateau. You're not moving forward. Why? What should you do? What do you think? So it's like Panadol now, huh? Whatever you suffer from, just throw everything at the wall and see what sticks. No.
Do the same exercise with a different show?
Yes, it could work. Yes, you could change the show. Probably the show, say, is about a higher level of English, so you could go to a more humble level of English. You could do something else. What else?
Practical practice, for example.
Huh?
It is practical experience.
Oh, thank you. I need the towel, actually. Okay. So, AOU is punishing me today. Okay, yes, please.
So you can focus on your own mistakes and fix it through improving what you need.
Excellent, very good. That's a smart way, a smart technique. Actually, if you think that you reached a plateau, you're not moving forward, you're not making any progress, there is no improvement, you should try to do it more often. Say if you're doing it once a day, you could do it twice a day. Or if you're doing it for 1 minute a day, you can do it for 2, 3, whatever you like. So just make it more extensive. Okay, the next one. Okay, so we have improved or covered fluency speaking, forming sentences orally, recalling new vocabulary. Let's move on to the final strategy.